Good morning, I am Vikas and let us continue with one more topic related to the first unit. So that is nothing but finite automata with output. So first of all we'll see what do we mean by finite automata. We'll revise the definition of finite automata. Here finite automata, we know that finite automata is defined by using phi tuple. So let us consider capital M. Capital M is equal to capital Q summation delta initial state and final state, where Q is the finite non-empty set of state. Means how many states are required to represent the given problem definition by means of finite automata. Summation set of input alphabet. Q0 is the initial or start state of the machine. Capital F is the set of final state or states. Because there may be case we may have more than one final state for the given finite automata. And delta is the transition function, mapping function or next state function. Here delta is represented as current state into current input alphabet. We get the next state as a output. Now here FA, I will record FA with output. We know that in a finite automata it always gives the answer in the form of yes or no. Means what? Here if you consider any example, let us consider one example, and if you say that for that finite automata we want to give the input as a string. Okay, if after accepting the given string, if it reaches to the final state of the finite automata, then we are going to say that that string is accepted by the finite automata. Or otherwise, if we are in the non-final state or other than the final state, then we are going to say that string is rejected or it is not accepted by the finite automata. Now there may be the case we want the answer other than yes or no. In some of the cases we want the answer yes or no, we want the answer as a 1, we want the answer as a 0. If after accepting given string print the hello, after rejecting the string print the by, whatever it may be. So we want the answer as a other than yes or no, then we will require FA with output. So here there are two machines FA with outputs are there, and that two machines are Mealy and Moore function or Murray function. So first of all we will see the definition of Mealy machine. So Mealy machine, here Mealy, in case of Mealy machine, output is associated with the transition. Means here you can see one example, in that output is associated with the transition. A input is there and output is 1. B input is there, output is 0. So output is associated with the transition. Output depend on the current state and current input symbol. In case of Mealy machine, output is depend on current state and current input symbol. It will decide outputs. Let us consider this one. Q0 after receiving A as input, it will give the output as a 0 like this. Now definition of the Mealy machine. We know that finite automata, deterministic finite automata, non-deterministic finite automata, non-deterministic finite automata with epsilon, all these are defined by using phi tuple. Now Mealy and Moore machine is defined by using 6 tuple. Here Mealy machine M is defined by using 6 tuple. Let us consider capital M is equal to capital Q summation delta, means triangle, delta lambda Q0. So what is the meaning of all these tuple? Here capital Q is the finite non-empty set of state. Summation is the set of input symbol. Now this delta triangle indicate that set of output symbol. Q0 is the initial or start state of the machine. Delta is the transition function, mapping function or next state function of the Mealy function. Here delta is described as current state into current input alphabet will get the next state. Here these Mealy and Murray machine are the finite automata, so we will get output as a single state. And lambda is the output function. Here lambda is like this. Lambda is the output function, and lambda is nothing but current state into current input alphabet will get the output alphabet, because here output is associated with the transition or output is dependent on current state and current input symbol. That's why current state, current input symbol will get the output alphabet. Now we will consider one example of Mealy machine. Here you can see one example of Mealy machine. Here there are total 4 states are there. In case of Mealy machine, there is Mealy and Murray machine, there is no any final state is there. Okay. So here initial state is there, Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3 are the 4 states for Mealy machine, and input alphabets are A and B and output alphabets are 0 and 1. Okay, if you want to write down all 5 tuple, then it will be like this: capital M is equal to capital Q. Here you can see all 6 tuple: capital Q summation delta lambda Q0. So here you can see, if you write the capital Q is nothing but Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So 4 states are there. So we need to write down like this: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. These are the 4 states. Now input alphabet summation. So summation input alphabets are nothing but A and B are the input alphabet for the given problem definition. Now output alphabet triangle, that is nothing but 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 are the output alphabet. Now delta, which is described by using this transition diagram, and lambda, we'll see its transition table. So that time we'll describe its delta and lambda. And initial state is nothing but Q0. As I said that there is no any final state is there. So here you can see Q0, after accepting A as input, it will generate the output as 0. After accepting B as input, it will be in Q1 state and output is 0. Same way Q1, after accepting A as input, it will be in Q0 state, at that time output is 0. Q1, after accepting B as input, it will be in Q2 and at that time output is 0. Like this, all state input and outputs are defined. Now here you can see its transition table. State transition function is delta and output function lambda. So how to define it? Here in case of transition table, first column indicate that number of state and first row indicate that input alphabet. As I told you, there are 2 input alphabets are there, A and B. Here you can see A and B are the input alphabet, and there are 4 states are there: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So 4 states are there. So Q0 after accepting A, where it will be in a Q0. You can see Q0 after accepting A, it is in Q0. Q0 after accepting B, it is in Q1. Okay, Q1 after accepting A, Q1 after accepting A as input, it will be in Q0. So that's why we have shown here Q0. Q1 after accepting B, it is in Q2. So here Q2 is shown. Q2 after accepting B, it is in Q3. So Q2 after accepting B, it is in Q2. And Q2 after accepting A, it is in Q0. So Q2 after accepting A, it is in Q0. Same way Q3 after accepting A and B, it will stay in same state as Q3. So that's why Q3 after accepting A, Q3. Q3 after accepting A, B, it is in Q3. So now we want to write down lambda, output function. So output function, here number of states, A and B are the input alphabet and these are the output alphabet. So Q0 after accepting A, Q0 after accepting A, which output is generated? 0. So Q0 after accepting A, it is generating 0. Same way Q0 after accepting B, Q0 after accepting B as input, it will be in Q1, but at that time output is 0. So here we have written 0. Same way Q1 after accepting A, Q1 after accepting A as the input, it will generate the output as a 0. So here we have written Q1 after accepting B, Q1 after accepting B as input, it will be in the Q2 state, but at that time output is 0. So here we have written output as 0. Same way Q2 after accepting A, it is in Q0, output is 1. So Q2 after accepting A, it will be generating the output as 1. Like this we have constructed the transition table for delta as well as lambda function. Now here we will consider one example. Here we want to design one Mealy machine that gives an output 1 if the input string is ending in BAB. That will give the output as a 1 if the input string is ending in BAB. Means this indicates that if input string is BAB, end with BAB, that time it should generate the output as a 1. Okay, and before that any combination of A and B is allowed, like this. But here you can see the string is end with BAB. So we want to draw the Mealy machine which will generate the output as a 1 if the string is end with BAB. So here you can see. So here this one is basic machine actually. It is just like a DFA. So Q0 after accepting B, it is in Q1. So first of all you can design the basic machine. Let us say after accepting B, it is B, then only we are in Q1 state. So when we are in Q2, if we are in A as input, then we are in Q2 state. After that BA, as we are in Q2, that indicates that previously we are in BA. Now again B is there, that time we are in the Q3 state. So BAB, so that time we are in Q3 state. But in case of DFA, there is a final state. Here we don't have the final state, here we are in the output. Now we want to generate the output. So that's why now here you can see B, Q0 after accepting B, it will be in Q1, but string is not end with BAB. It having only B as an input alphabet. That's why output is 0. Now we are in Q1 means previously we are having B as an input alphabet. Now once again Q1 having A as input, so we are in Q2, but string is formed as BA. It is not forming the string BAB. That's why again output is 0. Now in a Q2, if again B is there, so in B is there, so previously in a Q2 that indicates that previously we are having BA. Now once Q2 having B, that time we are in Q3. So BAB string is formed. That's why output is 1. So here you can see first B 0, BA again 0, but once BAB string is formed, it will generate the output as a 1. So this is the basic machine of the Mealy machine. Now we need to show all the input for all the states. So that's why here you can see total design of the Mealy machine. So Q0 before BAB any combination of A and B is there, n number of A and B is there. For n number of A it will stay in same state, but output is 0 because n number of A's are there. So it is not end with BAB. So that's why output is always 0 for first A, second A, third A, fourth A. Now we are here Q1. If it having B here, so here from here also it is possible to form the string BAB. That's why we have shown in same state, but again previously we are in BB or ABB. So that's why output is 0. Now for Q2, if A is there, then we are back to the Q0 state, because from here if we specify here itself, then BAAB, that is wrong. We want BAB. That's why for A it will be back to the Q0 state and output is again 0 because that string is not end with BAB. And for Q3 again A is there, back to the Q0 state, and okay. So here also it is possible, sorry, it should be here actually, okay. So like BAB is possible, not here. Here BAB is possible, so it will generate the string as that string is end with BAB. So it should be like this, BAB, okay. And for the transition table is defined here for Q3 after accepting A, it will stay in Q2 state. This modification you need to do. So here Q0 after accepting A, what is the delta is next state and what is lambda. Here we have combined both the delta is next state table and lambda function. So Q0 after accepting delta, what is the lambda. So here you can see Q0 after accepting A, it is in same state, means Q0 and output is 0. So that's why here we have specified Q0 after accepting A, it is in same state and output is 0. Same way Q0 after accepting B. So Q0 after accepting B, here you can see it is in Q1 state and at that time output is 0. So Q0 after accepting B, it is in same state, Q1 state and output is 0. Now for Q1 after accepting A. So Q1 after accepting A, it is in Q2 state, output is 0. So Q1 after accepting A, it is in Q2, output is 0. Like this we have constructed transition table. Here it should be Q2. Now we'll solve some more example in a live session. I'll stop here.